Today we are right here in McKinney, Texas. We're getting into a single-story home that's over 2,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. But the best part about it is no pit or mud. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting sick and tired of these pit and muds, just feeling like we're getting taxed. Well, in this house, you don't have to worry about it. And the best part is it goes into Prosper ISD. This thing's absolutely fantastic home. Cannot wait to show you. Love the high-pitched roof lines.
Yeah, you've got all the stone that matches the brick. It's really nice.
They did a good job with this elevation. Now let's get inside here and show you guys this terrific house.
There we go. A little quieter, huh?
First thing I will say is I like these floors.
Oh, these floors are really, really pretty. And then look at how high the ceilings are in here.
12-foot ceilings.
Always love a Perry entrance because they've got those wide hallways, tall ceilings, just such a grand way to enter your house.
Now this is 2,545 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3 bath, 2-car garage. Been reduced $121,000. Guys, without a pit or a mud, that is a pretty stinking good deal. This thing is at $599. Now on this side of the home, you've got 2 secondary bedrooms and it's split by a full bath, which we will get into, but look at the size of this room.
Yeah, I love the big windows. That's very nice. And the arch.
Really nice. You've got nice sized closet. And it doesn't have those small doors, so it's real easy to access.
Yeah, you're right. You can really get in there, which I like. It really is a good sized room. We say that a lot, but
yeah,
this one is really a good sized room.
You've got 8-foot doors all throughout. Then you come through, you've got a full bath.
Perfect. And then this room also shares that.
And then this room has like a walk-in closet.
Oh, it's got its own little walk-in.
Now what I love this floor plan for are young families that don't want that second story. A lot of people want to be on the same floor as their kids.
We are getting more and more people who want a single story.
Yeah, and so that makes a lot of sense. And this is also good for a downsizer or an empty nester, someone that, older and that sort of thing that doesn't want the stairs. This is a great option because you're getting quality build, in a great community without those extra taxes. Guys, the PIDs and the mud taxes are driving me nuts. And I will say this as well, that this thing has been marked down $121,000. We are showcasing this because we have been dealing with these builders. And Perry is one of them that we have been very successful at getting significantly mind-blowing savings from their prices. But we can't share those with you because that's our hidden secret, guys. That's how we make a living,
Mm-hmm.
But we do have the family give back program that we do share a portion of our commission right back to you to help you with your closing costs and all that good stuff. So if you're interested, you're in the market right now, hit that dream home form. Let's start the conversation. Look at this. This is your laundry area.
Very nice size. All right, and then right behind me is a bedroom.
There's another bedroom. And I like how this one it's not only is it kind of separated, but it has its own bath. So this could be a perfect kind of guest room.
Or if you have a parent that lives with you or something like that. Yeah, that is great.
Because you've got a walk-in closet. It feels like this is a little bit of a bigger room.
Mm-hmm. I like how it's just kind of way back, away from everything, so they can kind of have their own space.
Yeah. $599, and I know that we can do better than that. So one of my favorite things about this floor plan is this flex space that they have.
Mm-hmm.
And I say flex space because it would be a giant office, although you can use it for that if you wanted. It's so big, and I love the double doors. It could be a media room. It could be, like a game area. Whatever you guys want to do, it's flexible. Imagine that.
It's flexible.
Imagine that. All right, let's go in here. The kitchen, the heart of the home. You've got a nice 4-butt island. I do like how it's darker, anchors kind of the kitchen, and then you've got the white cabinetry behind it.
And then it's got the storage underneath there, which I always love.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, why not, right? You might as well add it. And then you've got a single oven with a microwave. That's where your fridge goes. Let's check out this snack closet. Let's see. Decent sized snack closet.
Yeah, everything about this is nice. You get a 5-burner cooktop. You know, I mean, this is just a good family home. Enjoying that. You've got, look at this buffet area. So this would be kind of your dining room.
Yeah.
We don't even have the lights on.
We don't, I just realized that.
That's how bright this place is. But look at, I like how you can have kind of your buffet style sitting there, and then you've got your dining table. So it's kind of like an informal, just a nice kind of dining space. It's just how people live every day. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? That's how it feels like. It's just the house that everybody lives in every day. Have you ever been in those houses, and we show them on this channel all the time, these real expensive $1 million+, $1.3 million, $4 million, you know, all those. Love those builders, love those homes, but a lot of them, is practical? Are people buying those as much as these? No. Every day, this is what we're getting calls on. This $600,000 price range. And the fact that it doesn't have a pit or mud is insane.
I know, that really is, that's a huge selling point for so many of our clients right now.
Yeah, you've got pickleball here, you got a community pool, all that good stuff. So is it gonna be a resort like Windsong Ranch or Mustang Lakes? No, but it's a regular community with all the, you know, some bells and whistles and stuff like that. So you're gonna have plenty of stuff to do here. And like I said, you're in the heart of everything, right on the edge of McKinney and Prosper. Right off of the 380, not too far, but far enough to where you don't hear anything. Get this fireplace.
Decent sized yard with a nice little patio. I guess I should probably go out and show that.
These are 50-foot lots, not terribly deep. Again, enough size to kind of put your swing set back here, trampoline. Probably wouldn't put a pool in, it's just not deep enough, but you could technically. But the patio is a nice size. You've got the gas insert already. It's ready to go. Let's go take a look at that primary, see what they got going on over there.
All right, let's see. Here we have 3 nice big windows and then a really good sized room. Perry doesn't tend to do bump outs and everything, so it's already kind of included in the room.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely good size.
Mm-hmm. All right, now let's check out that ensuite.
Let's go in, and it's like one of my favorite layouts actually, how they do the split vanities right here.
Let's see those split vanities. There we go, there's one side and the other, and as we know, you know, I won't be putting my stuff on your side.
You will not in this. We don't have to worry about it. It takes all that.
I'm not sure
This
where
is like
that,
probably
where that,
4 fights a year that we remove.
where did that fear come from? I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't know. But you know what I like about this is I like the 3 large windows. Mm-hmm. Now what I worry about in the bathroom is, you know, showing off for the neighbors, but you don't have to worry about that with this.
No, we won't scare the neighbors.
We will not scare the neighbors. And then look at this bathtub.
Oh wow, that would fit like a good 6-foot tall person.
Yeah, I mean, you can learn to swim in this thing.
That's perfect.
And then here we are in the shower.
Let's see.
And the shower is good size. It's comfortable. You got, again, the same kind of glass and that sort of thing.
It does feel like you'd be nice and cozy and warm in there.
Perfect for you, right?
Absolutely. Let's check out. We've got lots of doors going on here. So we've got 2 closets. There's this one right here. And then you've got some shelving. And then you've got this one over here.
And then right here you've got your linen closet.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, no fighting because there's 2 closets also. So.
Exactly. I mean, this just eliminates, you know, significant.
I cannot think of a time we've ever argued over a closet
No, we don't.
or our bathroom.
But we watch enough reality TV that we know that there's some tension
It does
that exists
happen,
in
yeah.
other relationships. Not ours, guys. So you'll enjoy your tours when you give us a call, fill out that dream home form, set up that Zoom call. Let's have that consultation so Patrice and I could show you guys all around and help you get a fantastic deal right here in North Texas.
And talk some reality TV.
Exactly. You know, we're everything from Big Brother to Love Island, Survivor, anything you want, guys. We're your go-to team.
There's people out there that are going, oh no,
Enough
that's
of
horrible.
that. Enough of that. All right. So anyway, Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, $121,000 off. These guys are willing and dealing. I know we can make blow your mind if I can advertise what we are getting on some of these deals. Contact us. We have great relationships with all of these sales reps. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.